Good day, learners! This is Teacher Leslie, and I will be your mathematics teacher for today. Now let's talk about factoring the greatest common monomial factor. You listen carefully because at the end of the lesson, students will be able to factor polynomials with common monomial factor. Let us define first what is factoring. Factoring is the process of finding the factors of an expression, which is the reverse process of multiplication. Now let's have a recap. What is prime number? It is a number greater than 1 which has only two positive factors, 1 and itself. Can you give examples of prime numbers? Examples of prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. These are some numbers that cannot be factored, except 1 and itself. Now let's have an example of greatest common monomial factor. We have 12x cubed y raised to 5 minus 20x raised to 5 y squared z. For the step 1, find the greatest common factor of the numerical coefficients. So let's find the factor of the numerical coefficient. The factor of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. For the factor of 20, we have 2 times 2 times 5. Then we are going to find the common. Then the common factors are 2 and 2. Then we're going to multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. So the GCF of 12 and 20 is 4. Now let's proceed to step 2. Find the variable with the least exponent that appears in each term of polynomial. Since x and y are both common to all terms, it means that both terms have a common variable of x and y. We're going to find the least exponent of the variables. 3 is the smallest exponent for x, 2 is the smallest exponent of y. Thus, x cubed y squared is the GCF of the variables. Step 3. The product of the greatest common factor in a and b is the GCF of the polynomial. Hence, 4x cubed y squared is the GCF of 12x cubed y raised to 5 minus 20x raised to 5 y squared z. Step 4. To completely factor the given polynomial, divide the polynomial by its GCF. The resulting quotient is the other factor. Given 12x cubed y raised to 5 minus 20x raised to 5 y squared z. Divided by the GCF 4x cubed y squared. To find the quotient, 12 divided by 4 is 3. When we divide variables, its exponent will be subtracted. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. When the exponent is 0, it is equal to 1. Then we can cancel x cubed. Next is y raised to 5 divided by y squared. Again, subtract the exponent, it will become y cubed. Therefore, we have 3y cubed. Next term is negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5. X raised to 5 minus x cubed. Subtract their exponent, the result is x cubed. Then we can cancel y squared. Then we can copy z. So we have negative 5x squared z. For the factored form, we have 4x cubed y squared times 3y cubed minus 5x squared z. Let's check our answer. To check our answer, we simply multiply the factored form. 4x cubed y squared times 3y cubed equals 12x cubed y raised to 5. 4x cubed y squared times negative 5x squared z equals negative 20x raised to 5 y squared z. Let's have another example. Example 2. Find the GCF of 8x squared plus 16x. Let's try another way of factoring the given expression. Let's find the factor of the two terms. For the 8 x squared, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x. For 16x, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times x. Then let's find the common. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times x. Let's multiply to find the GCF. The GCF is 8x. Divide the given expression by the GCF to get the other factor. To find the quotient, 8x squared divided by 8x, the answer is x. 16x divided by 8x, the answer is 2. Therefore, our other factor is x plus 2. So our factored form is 8x times x plus 2. Let's try another activity. Factor the following polynomials.